Hello, welcome to day 6 of Kwanzaa. So day 6's principle is Kumba, creativity, using, creating, and your imagination to make communities better. What better community than our yarn community, right? So that's a principle that I know we all definitely can live by. So let's go ahead and get started. So we're going to start with Chicken Coop Dye Works, and let's see what day 6 has. I know it's going to be a mohair that matches yesterday's color, and of course I am correct. So this is the mohair to Psycho Babble from yesterday. Look at that. Let's see if it'll focus. Yes, beautiful. So of course this is on her fluff base, and it is 72% mohair, 28% silk, 459 yards, and 50 grams. So let me pull out yesterday's so you can see the beauty of both. How nice is that? That's going to be absolutely lovely. So anyway, so that is our mohair and fingering merino silk blend Psycho Babble. So now let's move on to Mitchell's Creations, and let's see what day 6 holds for her mini. So of course this is on her lanyard 4-ply sock base, 75% superwash merino and 25% nylon, and it is in the color orange today, and it is 92 yards and 20 grams of loveliness. How nice is that? I don't think I have any orange minis. Awesome. So that concludes day 6 of Kwanzaa calendar. So stay tuned for tomorrow, because I think that one's going to be the best day of all. Okay, bye-bye.